is this stuck or what? Doesn't it move at least one day? Please surprise me, dude. I think Apple servers are stuck. In case, by any chance, if any of my subscribers are working at Apple Logistics, please push this here. We have the case ready. It is crying every single day. It wants its iPhone inside it. Don't know when I'm gonna receive the iPhone 13 Pro Max in my hands like this and unbox it. चलो अभी तो unbox नहीं कर सकते, but we have something else to unbox. If you guys remember, this particular box is pending from a long time. The Nike shoes. Some have got it right, some did not even bother. I've decided to unbox it because if it is lying there, problem is I'm not using them at all. It is just catching dust there. Whoa! It is the Nike Air Force 1. Problem is this 11.5 US. This is why my feet look like duck feet. Anyways, can't help it. That is how the creator, I don't think it was the creator, it was the creator's intern, because design flaw hai thoda. Why did it give me such huge hands? Are still fine because I get a nice grip on things, but my feet are a design flaw for sure. Whoa! How do you guys like it? Amazing, right? The side profile, that's a rare profile. This is also for metallic silver. This is also metallic silver, and there's a small metal badge over here. Let me just put this on my duck feet and show it to you. I mean, obviously this is not the right attire. When we properly dress up, they'll look really cool. It comes with all these badges. You can decorate the shoe. For example, let's put the stick mark maybe here. You can customize your Nike shoe. Looks nice, right? Also guys, a quick weather report of Hyderabad. Since the last 2 or 3 days, it did not rain in Hyderabad, which is a great news. October is almost ending, which means rides are gonna definitely start. Actually, we planned a trip for this weekend, but my friend had some other work, very important work, so we had to postpone this trip to the end of this month. But this time for sure, if he's also not coming, I'll wait till the end of this month and I'll leave alone. Because right now, I'm definitely missing riding the 1250. See, beautiful clear blue skies, dude. This is what we need, which means winter is approaching. But there's one thing I hate about winters. Your skin goes dry. Everything becomes white when I scratch. That is the reason you need to use a good moisturizer. I'm using the Mamaearth's Upton body lotion. It has turmeric and kokum butter. I definitely need not tell you guys the benefits of turmeric. It is specifically used in weddings because it overall gives a good healthy look to your skin, and it's a proper desi household thing. Kokum butter is rich in essential fatty acids. It's got some special moisturizing properties. It's known to heal and dry and cracked skin, especially near elbows and soles of your feet. It's also got shea butter and olive oil. All this together help in reducing the aging effects and overall brightness of the skin. So if you're looking for deep moisturization and a non-greasy formula with quick absorption, I think you have to definitely check out Mamaearth's body lotion. Well, my personal favorite is definitely the Upton body lotion. There is also the vitamin C body lotion, and the best part, it is suitable for all skin types. All Mamaearth products are made of natural ingredients. There are no harmful chemicals in it. There's a link in the description in case you're ordering. Do use my coupon code SEEMAN2021, get flat 20% off at Mamaearth's official website and the app as well. Yes, do check out the app. By the way, finally, finally we got the Seltos serviced, and today is Vahana Puja. I don't know what you call it in the north, but we do puja for all the vehicles. And by the way, I just realized that my car is gonna be 1 year in the next month. And oh yes, looks so shiny, new tires looking black. All the reds, proper reds came out. Now what, slowly I'm liking this car. I know, except for that safety rating. Somehow Kia, if you can get that safety rating, your upcoming Seltos, make it proper 5-star rating. I think there is no proper competition in this segment to this car. For now, I really like the drive quality. I like every damn thing about it. By the way, I learned one more new feature of this car. Now there is an option which I switched it on last night. When I come close to the car, it opens the rear view mirrors, which is interesting, dude. For example, let's see if it locks. Okay, I don't think it is gonna lock if I go away from it. Oh yes, it locked, dude. See, when I go close to it, it's gonna unlock. It's gonna open. Oops, not this side. See that? I didn't do anything. The keys are in my pocket. Now, I don't know if you guys have observed, but I'm carrying this from a long time. This is a small accessory for the BMW 1250. Very interesting. I'll show you. I'll definitely take it out soon. I think 1 or 2 days I'll take it out to the showroom because we need to get the clear waters fixed. So there's a small problem with the BMW 1250. So only the BMW 1250 gets this keyless entry. When you press the unlock button, see this rubber over here? If you press it with your nail is gonna definitely damage it, it seems. Like not immediately, but over a couple of years of usage, especially with your nail, it is gonna get damaged for sure. That's what BMW itself told me, which is definitely not of BMW standards. What is this? We are paying obviously so much so that we expect great quality from it. This is definitely not what we expected. You get third-party accessories like these. This is a very interesting thing. So after this gets damaged, you have 2 options. I'm not sure if it's gonna get covered under warranty because obviously that's a physical damage. You either fight for warranty and tell BMW you're making cheap products, or simply don't blame anyone, just buy a cover like this. Goes over here. That's it. Simple solution. We saved a lot of money and a lot of headache. Literally been almost I think 2 weeks since I switched on this bike, but no worries, today we're gonna switch on this bike because we have the Vahana Puja and also the street one. Finally today I'll be taking it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 Nimbu we need. एक टायर के नीचे एक. चलो for now I'll just wipe it up and evening let's go for a quick ride on the street one. Both the bikes are ready, including the Dio. Dio is almost getting ready. Dad is cleaning the most important vehicle of this house, the Dio. Abhi let me put the Seltos that side and let's complete the Vahana Puja. Doesn't matter if you have BMW insurance, doesn't matter if you have special Kia insurance. Without this, nothing is gonna work. Chalo, done with all tokisifications. Now let's get out. Every time I forget about this, yaar. My headlight needs to be adjusted. It looks literally till here. Even if I put high beam, it doesn't change. You see that? Oh, pura festive mood mein hai Malkajgiri. All lit up. All fruits, vegetables everywhere. Nice. Arey yaar, my phone. To be careful with this. I know you shouldn't be putting the iPhone like this. It seems, I don't know if it's a rumor, but Apple released a statement that you shouldn't be using phone mounts and all that on the bike, because even I feel that, because one of my friend has lost his image stabilization. The camera got ruined. It's better actually let me remove. I forgotten to put it. Kasa traffic hai. I need to go to Kukatpalli right now, and what I realized is it is a crazy 1 hour 10 minutes from here, just for 20 kilometers. We are going on the bike, so no issues. Let's remove it. Why to ruin it? I know we're getting the new iPhone, but still, don't know when will they send it to me. Oh yes, 59 minutes just for 19 kilometers. Dude, this is gonna be hectic. We put a Nimbu here. You can't see it. I put it underneath the crash bar. And in case you guys get lemon fried smell, then that is to do with the lemon burning right there. And no problems, bro. Next 2 days we have clear skies, so we can take the bike and go. Anyways, I'm gonna take it now. And about the recent ride review of the Honda CB650R. Oh yes, we got the name again right. Shriman, your memory is improving a lot. There is absolutely no comparison between that bike and this bike. This is a nice classic. That's a beautiful street bike. Suspension setup, everything is similar to this one. But what I would say is, this is more enjoyable in the city. I'll tell you why. Because of the more usable torque bandwidth. Inline force somehow, my personal choice, somehow I don't like inline force unless it's like a proper super sport. Because you'll get torque much later, after 4000 5000 rpm. By the time you reach 4000 5000 rpm, there is no more road left. Isme the torque is right from the starting, like literally from idling. And once it reaches 1500 to 2000 rpm, it runs, it rages, which is like proper usable torque. Literally you can be in 3rd or 4th gear arams in the city, and even when you pull, you get that nice torque. You see that? Amazing torque here isme. Not even the 1250 has this much of torque. It has more torque in numbers, but it comes much later. And that's a crazy 600-pound machine. And oh yes, it is a beautiful climate right now. I can feel the weather. It is, bike shows literally 20 degrees right now. And don't believe whatever a vlogger says, because my bike doesn't show temperature, but I'm just saying it. I can take a ride from here, which is not recommended. Itlanti vastuntare opposite. వాళ్ళ ఫుల్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఫేస్ ఉంది అంకుల్కి. నేను కరెక్ట్ వెళ్ళేటోడు నాకే అంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లేదు, ఉల్టా వచ్చేటోడు అంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది చూడు. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐ లవ్. చలో లెట్స్ ఎంటర్ ద డ్రాగన్, ఎంటర్ ద ట్రాఫిక్. चलो अब इधर से राइट लेने का, एंड यूजुअली वी गो स्ट्रेट इफ यू गो इनटू द प्रॉपर सिटी, बट या अब राइट इज रेड अम्मा. अरे वाह, फैन ऑन हो गया, प्रॉपर हीटर. See, I exaggerate a little bit and talk on the videos. It is not that bad, okay? whenever a vlogger says, at least me, whenever I say it is super amazing, it is not that amazing. It is amazing, but I'm too expressive when I'm on the camera. And when I say it is too hot, it is not that hot. It is bearable. And when I say it is too cold, it is never that cold. No, actually, Joshimath and all, when I went, Nainital, when I said it is cold, anything below 5 degrees, I can't take, dude. It is too much for me. 170 speed loss to bus. Okay, so what I wanted to tell you, a good news, a great news. It's been 1 year for this bike. Oh shit. It's been 1 year for this bike. Oh, by the way, this is the backside of old Begumpet Airport. This used to be the actual airport of Hyderabad on my left. Abhi to chale gaya 40 kilometers away to Shamshabad. Anyways, coming to the point, we finished. You see that 1971 kilometers only the last 1 year, which I still wonder, how did I finish almost 2000 kilometers, sorry, 1971 kilometers in 1 year. It's impossible, yaar. Hardly I took this bike out. In case you guys have been following me from a long time, you know how much Sriman hates going to Kukatpalli, because there's a flyover that is being constructed, which is never ending. It seems it is done. It seems nice. I've already gone on that in my car. It is amazing, you know. It is like a proper 6-lane flyover. I'll show it to you. Yeah, pura, let's skip, and directly I think I'll meet you at the flyover. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, there you see the lit up new flyover. This is where the irritating part was, yaar. Now we have proper 3-lane this side, 3-lane that side, and full on LED lights all the sides. This is beautiful. This feels like I'm on the highway and I'm going for a long ride, dude. Nice. Imagine, this whole stretch used to take at least 20 minutes. Now it takes literally 30 seconds to finish. Oh, by the way, I have my clear visor now. No, not on this helmet right now. But my friend got it from Germany. Abhi to I still have my dark tint visor. I'll have to collect it before I start my next ride. Chalo, just reached the place. I reached Charan's house and I just realized this is also one more street twin. That doesn't go out much. This also doesn't go out much. I'm pretty sure he's done around 200 or 300 kilometers on it. I doubt. Charan, I have a question for you. How many kilometers did you finish on your Ather? I'm considering it to be my street twin.
Maybe 1500.
Oh, that much. I said 200 kilometers.
13%.
13% may we can go and come. Today itself I said in this video, really comfortable to make a shift from petrol to electric.
Okay.
If you are scaring me like this,
What's scary?
it's 13% అని చెప్తే
25 kilometers. That's
25 kilometers हमारे घर के बाजू में रुक जाएगा.
నువ్వు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇంటికి ఎందుకు వెళ్తావు? మధ్యలో ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టుకొని
Why didn't you charge it? And one thing I don't understand, whenever, oh by the way, we are planning to go to a movie. We are going to a movie. We are going to a movie called Venom.
Why are you so eager like Justin Bieber?
About?
Booking a movie.
Is Justin Bieber very eager?
That's a joke.
We have gym therapy. We have music therapy. We have bike therapy. वो भी हो गया अभी. But we don't have movie therapy from a long time. I need it, dude.
అవన్నీ ఓకే రా.
So I wanted to go to some movie.
Correct.
I'll tell you. You said you want to go to a movie which is before 9 o'clock. I could get only this movie, Venom. I wanted to see No Time to Die because it's a triumph in it.
Okay.
And then I also wanted to see that Shang-Chi something. Shang-Chi. That's an amazing movie, it seems. All these are old movies, but we didn't get to see it because I was traveling. For your comfortable time, 8:40 I got that show, so I booked it.
So if it was
And I was calling you. You didn't take the call. You were busy.
No other theaters available for those two movies?
No. Everywhere it is either 5 o'clock, 4:30 or late night. You didn't want to go late night shows. By the way, Shiva is also coming.
నేను ఇంట్లో ఇప్పుడు చెప్పా సినిమాకి వస్తున్నా.
You're cute. I didn't tell yet. నేను ఇంకా double cute. See, this is why I don't like your Kukatpalli. No, actually, you know, I'm liking it. I'm starting to appreciate Kukatpalli after the new flyover. Amazing flyover, bro. 6-lane flyover.
Balnagar?
Yes. With full lights, 6 lanes, ఇటు మూడు అటు మూడు మధ్యలో full lights are there.
JNTU తప్ప అన్ని ఫ్లైఓవర్లు ఇక్కడ.
Oh, beautiful. That pace used to take me 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Now it's taking 30 seconds. అన్ననో లేదో. Full traffic. Shiva is calling. Yo. వచ్చేసావా? Hello, who's here? Mr. Shivaji. And full on. I'm not eating this. ఇంత వాటర్ నాకు వాటర్ పడలేదు.
వాటర్ విత్ షుగర్ కూడా ఉంది.
ఫుల్ షుగర్ సిరప్.
ఇది నాది.
Full caramel. This is caramel.
That is mix.
Caramel and cheese.
And salted.
Cheese. And salted కూడా. I don't like salted.
Salted అన్ని కలిసిపోతాయి. లాస్ట్ లో చీజ్ అంటుకుంటుంది దానికి.
నువ్వు వీడు ఉన్నానంటే మొత్తం షుగర్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. Rest will be mine. No, I'm not eating. Okay, we are back from the movie. How did you like it?
Okay, 6 out of 10.
Average. You can expect the story. But yes, you can watch it once. Time pass karne ke liye.
OTT.
That's what we did now. Our time is literally around 12 o'clock in the night. This is the reason once in a while if you take out the bike, you'll love it. If you take it out every day, you'll lose that interest. And oh yes, by the way, we finished 2012 kilometers. So then I think I'll end the vlog here. For some reason, if you have liked it, do hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and definitely check out the links in the description. Like I told you, it is very important to take care of your skin, especially in approaching winters. And one more thing I really like about Mamaearth is that, you know, whenever you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. Their aim is to plant at least 1 million trees by 2025. Apart from this, they are plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastic than they use. Right now, they recycle 240 metric tons of plastic every single month, dude. You can buy these products from Mamaearth's official website, Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, and don't forget the Mamaearth's app. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.